for today's video, I'm doing something a little bit different. I've seen a ton of people do this video in the past and I thought it was an amazing concept, and that is sale section only, like shopping challenge, where challenge yourself to only get things out of the sale section. So for today's video, I put together some outfits as well as some home decor areas in my space. I kind of spruced them up with sale section home decor. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. But before I get into it, I wanted to talk about shopping in the sale section and how beneficial I think it is. So for example, the jacket that I'm wearing right now is super on trend and very trendy right now. And I was able to get it on sale marked from $80 to $20. I was actually able to get it because of ShopTagger. If you guys don't know what ShopTagger is, I've been using it for years now, and it's pretty much saved me thousands of dollars. They were kind enough to sponsor this video, but I have been using ShopTagger for years, and I 100% stand by this company completely. I think out of all the companies that I work with, this is the company that I personally use the most because I use this every single day. So essentially what it is you can go to shoptagger.com and you want to download the little ShopTagger button, install it to your little Google Chrome extension, and once you do that, you have this amazing button. So when you're shopping online, you can go and pull up pretty much any of your favorite websites, go on there, and you can click that little ShopTagger button, and it's going to allow you to not only be notified when that item goes on sale, but if it goes out of stock, they will notify you when it is back in stock. So that's kind of what happened with this jacket. It had gone on sale, sold out completely, then it came back into stock and it was even cheaper than it originally was. So super excited. This was a great deal, and you guys know most of my furniture in my place is from West Elm, which I have not paid full price for any of it. I use ShopTagger to get all of those items on sale. Another thing that is great is if you download their free app, you can get push notifications, and it's very easy to organize everything. I know for me, I have a lot of things on there just because ever since I started using ShopTagger, I try not to buy anything full price because I did realize from using ShopTagger over the years, things always go on sale, and it's something that I never really knew. So I love ShopTagger for bringing that to my attention, but you can kind of organize things into little collections so you can like separate everything. So if you want to have a shoe section, or for me, I have like a little fashion section as you can see here, and then I like to separate my home decor and just kind of go through, and you can add and remove. You can also share those with other people, so it's great if you have like a holiday or your birthday is coming up, you can kind of share that with friends or family, and then they can get good deals on the stuff you want. So I will have a ShopTagger linked in the description box down below. If you don't already use it, I don't know what you're doing, but you need to download it. It will save you so much money, and it is absolutely free to use. So now let's head on over to the stores and see what we can find in the sale and clearance sections. From my sale section and clearance shopping, I wanted to share with you guys what I was able to find because I'm actually super excited about the pieces I got, especially the clothing. I can always love picking up new home decor, but the outfits I got I think are definitely my favorite. They're going to be some of my go-tos this summer season. So I'm going to start with the outfits that I found. So the first piece, which is probably my favorite piece, is this is a Free People kind of like a matte sequined shirt. So the sequins aren't super shiny, like only a few of them are, and the others are matte. So this was originally $128 and it was marked down to $41.98, so $42, which is still like 67% off of the original price. But for some reason, when I purchased it, it rang up for $19. So got this $130 shirt for $19, which is an awesome deal. That's another tip that I have if you're shopping in the sale section. Number one, you just have to be patient, and you may need to like go multiple times, but sometimes if there's a piece like this and you really want it, maybe take it up to the front and have them ring it up, because when stuff sits on the clearance rack for a certain amount of time, they will mark it down again. So super excited. And then to go with those, or to go with that shirt, I found these jeans, and I have wanted a pair of frame jeans for the longest time. However, I think originally these are like $300 jeans, but they supposedly fit amazing, and just for my body type, I tend to find that designer jeans fit me better, so it's great when I can find them in the clearance section. So these were originally $269, marked down to $53, so a little on the pricey side, but I feel like places like Forever 21 have jeans now for like 30 to 40 bucks. So why not spend the extra $10 and actually get something that's amazing quality as opposed to something that's not gonna hold up. Like these jeans will last you so long. And then the next outfit that I got, I'll just jump right into it, is pretty much my favorite like ever. So I love the brand Faithful, the brand, if you guys have heard of it. They're amazing, their stuff is amazing quality. However, it is super, super, super expensive. So for example, this top retails for $150, like $150. And for some reason, this was marked all the way down to $20. But I mean, the quality of it is insane. It's like super thick. It has like a built-in bra, so you are like getting your money's worth, but still $150. Like I would never spend that much on a shirt. So this was marked down to $20 and it's amazing quality. So this looked amazing with these jeans that I found. And these are super awesome. They're high-waisted and the end has this like cute detailing on it. These were such a steal. Joe's jeans are originally like $200 and these were marked down to $29. So again, same price as jeans you're gonna get other places that aren't as good of quality. Like these will hold up forever if you keep them and take good care of them, obviously. Like they're such good quality jeans. So those were the outfits that I found and I'm super excited to be wearing those spring and summer. Moving on to home decor, I challenged myself to find some very cute organizational pieces as well as maybe spruce up and change the side area of my bed and my side table for summer. Just to kind of switch things up, I can always move my current nightstand and use it as a side table in here. That's why I love getting furniture that can kind of mix and match. So first thing that I found for my room was this pillow. To me, it just screams like summer and tie-dye, and I know they have these pillows all over Etsy and a ton of like Instagram shops sell them, but they're really pricey. And this one was at TJ Maxx for $24.99, but it was marked down to $12. So originally, I'm sure this pillow was like way more. Sometimes on TJ Maxx, they don't have the original tags on them, which this one in particular didn't, so I'm not sure where exactly it's from, but absolutely love this. It's like just like so like refreshing. I think it just looks, it's gonna make my room look like so fresh and not so crisp white. So then to go along with that in my room, I can't really pick it up, but I found this really cool like wickered nightstand and it was marked all the way down to $40, which I think is a great deal because you can use it as a nightstand, but I was also thinking of potentially bringing it into my living room and maybe getting another plant and putting a plant on there. Ever since I got this real plant here, I've just been kind of obsessed with plants. It is a lot of work and maintenance, but I do see a difference in like the quality of air and I just love like having something to kind of like take care of, and I love it. So I'm gonna be getting more plants, and this would work for holding a plant as well as a nightstand. You can use this thing for so many different things. If you had a bigger bathroom, it would look good in there as well. And then for organization, these originally ranged from I think $10 to $15. They have all different sizes, so I got a few different sizes, but they were marked down for $7 to $10 range. So I got 3 different sizes of these, and the reason they were marked down is they did have like a little like dirt or blemish on them, but I literally like just like dusted it off with my hand, so that was super cool. You'll find a lot of stuff like that. Never be afraid to fix things that are in the sale section either. Like some things may be broken and you can just like DIY and fix them yourselves. So that is everything I found sale section shopping. If you guys want to see this video again, or if you guys want me to do this for like makeup or other different categories, let me know in the comments down below. Be sure to check out Shop Tagger. It'll be linked down below, and a huge thank you to them for sponsoring this video. I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!